Learn a language with Paul Noble. Ever tried to learn a language and fallen at the first hurdle? Don't have the time to puzzle over course books? Best-selling language expert Paul Noble is here to help. When Paul left school many moons ago, he found he couldn't speak a word of French. After many years perfecting his unique language learning method, he now speaks 5 languages, including Mandarin Chinese. No grammar classes, no boring memory drills, no chance of failure. By making a few tweaks to words you use every day, you can unlock a whole new world of vocabulary. Whether you're a total newbie or an intermediate learner, we have a range of products for every need. All you need to do is open a book or press play and listen. You could be speaking a new language in no time. Available wherever audiobooks, books or CDs are sold.